Hi guys, today I'm going to discuss about loop concepts in C programming. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share the video. After the subscription, tap the bell icon for the further notification. First of all, what is a loop? The name loop itself saying that loops are used for repetition. Mainly, the loops are classified into three types. First one is for loop, second one is while loop, and third one is do while loop. These are the syntaxes for those three loops. This is the syntax for loop. It is for initialization, condition, increment. Initialization is from where the loop will start. It means, for example, if we specify here for I is equal to 0, it means the loop will start from 0 onwards. Condition. Based on the condition, the loop will be executed. If the condition is wrong, the loop will not executed. It will stop there. If the condition is right, it will execute the code inside the loop and then after increment the variable, and then after it checks again the condition and executes the whole part in the loop. After that it will increment. This will execute until the condition is false. See this. This is the flowchart for the for loop. As I said that first of all it is initialization part. It means from where the loop will start. First the variable should be initialized. After that it will check the condition. If the condition is true, it will execute the statements inside the loop. After that it increments the variable. After the variable is incremented, and again it will check for the condition. If the condition is true, and again this will happen. If the condition is false, and we will out of the loop. This means the next statement we write after the loop will be executed. This is about the for loop. And next, coming to while loop. This is the syntax for the while loop, which means while of condition, the condition which we want to specify here. The code which we want right here. Coming to the flowchart of the while loop, it will check condition first. If the condition is true, the statement inside the loop will be executed until the condition will be false. After the condition will false, it will come out of the loop. By seeing these flowcharts of for loop and while loop, we didn't find any difference between them. Basically, the key difference between for loop and while loop is, if you know the number of iterations we want to iterate, we use for loop. If you don't know the number of iterations that we want to iterate, we use while loop. After that, coming to do while loop, the syntax of do while loop are do braces, the code which we want to specify, condition we want to specify here, semicolon is mandatory. The code of the do while loop executed at least once because we didn't specify any condition while entering the loop. We specified the condition while exiting the loop, so that it will execute the code at least once. After execution of one time of code, it will check the condition. If the condition is true, it will again repeat the same code and execute that. See the flowchart. It will execute the statements inside the loop and will check the condition. If it is true, it will execute again the statements and check the condition until the condition is true. If the condition is false, it will exit from the loop. This is the brief explanation of loops concept in C. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.